Hello everyone, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Usain Bolt changes the mood this summer. From his A-Team lifestyle music label comes a surprisingly loveless rock track in time for the summer. The single from Bolt and NJ titled Everlasting is a tourist board billboard with Usain himself making a cameo.
It's an everlasting feeling with you. Let's go somewhere, just you and I. There is not another like you. Being with you, now and forever.
Prior to its release, Usain teamed up with the Ambition boss himself Yaxter on Wine, featured on Yaxter's debut album 22. Now, Sir Paul McCartney has announced that he will be using AI to complete the final Beatles song. In a BBC interview Tuesday, the group member says he will be using the technology to extricate John Lennon's voice from an old demo and complete a decades-old song to be released later this year. This is not the first time Sir Paul McCartney has worked with AI. On his recent tours, he did a duet with the late Lennon and produced the album Beatles Revolver last year.
Oh yeah, I tell you something, I think you'll understand when I say that something. I wanna hold your hand, I wanna hold your hand.
The news comes as controversy over the use of AI music continues to mount. However, Sir McCartney added his voice saying that there's a good side and a scary side to AI. We'll just have to see where it leads. Now, Samuel L. Jackson has gone viral from the Tony Awards, and it's not for what you think. The Incredibles actor had social media in a frenzy for his reaction to losing the 2023 Tony Awards for the Best Featured Actor in a Play. Now, Samuel yesterday in an interview with US media house E! said that, quote, "I have already had a bad viral face from the Tonys," adding that, "You know I'm that guy. They're always gonna look at me. I don't even know if that was even the moment that they say it was. My face changes from time to time," end quote. Best Featured Actor in a Play went to Brandon Uranowitz from the multi-generational play Leopoldstadt. Now, the play took home 4 awards, including top spot for Best Play. Just behind the musical, Kimberly Akimbo, which took home 5 trophies. Congratulations to all the winners. I'm Daedran reporting for E-Prime. Thank you for watching.